Hey everybody, welcome back to Mama's East Texas Kitchen. Today we are making a copycat version of the Arby's cheddar and beef. But first thing you need for an Arby sandwich is what? You need an Arby sauce. So this is what you need. A half a cup of ketchup. I've got a fourth of a teaspoon of garlic and onion powder. A pinch of salt. And 2 teaspoons of water, and then you just gonna mix it up. Here's something I like to do just for a kick. This is not a part of the original recipe, but I like just a dash of cayenne. Let it mix. Okay, so I'm gonna set this in the refrigerator and we're gonna start on our cheese sauce. Next thing you're going to want to do is toast your bun. Now, an Arby sandwich, I've seen 2 different recipes. One was for an onion bun, the other one was for a sesame seed bun. I couldn't find any of the onion buns at our local grocery store, and I already had these buns, so I wasn't going to go buy some more just for this recipe. But we're going to slightly toast our buns real quick, and then we'll cook our meat up. Okay, so now we're going to make our cheese sauce. First thing you need to do is add 1/4 of a cup of milk to your saucepan. Turn the heat on. And then we're going to add 4 teaspoons of flour. We're just going to mix this until it's well mixed. Alright, now that I've got that well incorporated, I'm going to add another 3/4 of a cup of milk. And we're going to bring this up to a boil. Once it comes to a boil, I'm going to cook it till it starts getting thick. In my milk, I'm adding 1/4 of a teaspoon of garlic, onion powder, and a little bit of salt and pepper. Okay, you're going to take it off the heat and you're going to add about 1.5 ounces of cheddar cheese. And just mix it up really well till your cheese is well melted and blended well. Now we're going to make our sandwich. So what you're going to need to do, I've got some deli roast beef, and you want to get it thinly sliced. I'm just going to put a couple pieces in here. Basically you're just going to toss them until they get hot. Got my bun that we've toasted. Okay, for my sandwich, this is what I like to do. Take a little bit of our Arby sauce. And then, if you saw my short earlier this week, you know I made the horsey sauce. So I'm going to take a little bit of that on the other side. Take a piece of our meat. And you could use as much meat here as you wanted. I'm just making this for me. So, and a little bit of our cheese sauce. Just like that. And we're going to cut it in half and give it a try. Then, to top it off, I even have some seasoned curly fries that are cooked in my air fryer. Okay, there you go, my friends. I hope you enjoyed today's video. You can do a lot of these copycat recipes at home, so I hope you will give this a try. Thank you for joining us today on Mama Z's Texas Kitchen, and we will see you on the next video. Hey everybody, this is Misty from Mama Z's Texas Kitchen, and if you enjoyed today's video, I got 2 more copycat videos right here. Be sure and check those out, and we'll see you on the next video.